Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can change the Google Chrome background on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So let's bring up our Chrome browser first. So in the Windows search bar, type CHROME. Google Chrome will appear under the best match, then go ahead and click that. So this is the default background of your Google Chrome browser. This is just plain white with a Google symbol right here. Now, if you want to change the background of your Google Chrome browser because you want it to be beautiful, you want some aesthetic background, so simply click on this customize Chrome on the bottom right corner. Look for this customize Chrome on the bottom right corner and click on this. Now you'll have this appearance option. You have this the default Chrome, which is the default background. And you have different colors right here to choose. So if you want light color, just click on light and then click any of the colors right here that you want or you like for your Google Chrome browser. If you click on dark, then simply choose the color that you like for your Google Chrome browser. Or if you don't like these colors, like you don't want the background to be in color, you want it like designs or some aesthetic designs, then simply click on this change theme button. And here you'll find, now let's maximize this. You'll find these different themes right here. So you have the default Chrome, which is the default background. You can also upload an image if you want to make that image as a background of your Google Chrome browser. And you have here the solid colors. So you can choose any color right here, like pink, let's say yellow, red, or you can simply click on this rising artist. I mean, like, there are a lot of choices right here to choose from, like different background, different designs, and artistic designs. Now, click on rising artist. There are a lot of beautiful backgrounds right here, like this. Let's see, it's very beautiful. Also, this. So, it's up to you and what do you like. You can also click this, this one. Or if you want any other design, you have here the Asian and Pacific Islander artists. There are also a lot of choices right here to choose from. If you want the design like something like this, then you can go ahead and click that. Then you can also choose this Native American artist. There is still a lot of choices right here like this sun and day, ocean background, and the rainbow background. We also have this LGBTQ plus artists. There are also a lot of choices from here, like this one. Then you also have the Latino artists and this black artist, the landscapes. If you want landscapes, then there are a lot of landscapes to choose from here. You also have this textures. And also you have the cityscapes. If you want that city vibe. So it's up to you. There are a lot of choices from here. It depends on what you prefer, what you like for your Google Chrome browser. Now let's close this. And if I am going to open another tab, this will also be in the same background. So it's just very nice to work with your Google Chrome browser in a nice background. It feels like it will motivate you to work. And then you can also Search for different backgrounds to be saved into your Windows and then choose it as a background for your Google Chrome browser. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.